to my channel. Today we will be working on exercise number 17 and we're going to learn a new command that we will use. I'm going to start by drawing a line for 38.5. And I'm going to go up 17 units. Enter. Make it into a rectangle. Escape. Now I'm gonna have to chamfer this. You notice how on the picture the edges have been cut? So that's called chamfering. Here you have a fillet command under modify. This is if you want to round it. But if you want a straight line, that'll be chamfer. You click on that. And then you click on angle because you've been given the angle. And you want 2 units in length. So I type 2, enter. And you want the angle to be 45 degrees. 45, enter. You click on the first line and the second line. And it just chamfers it for you. In order to go back to the last command without having to retype this whole thing, you'll have to press space or the enter key. But I'm going to redo this once again so you'll see how it works. I'm going to click on chamfer, click on angle, type 2 for the length, and 45 degrees for the angle. Click on this and this. Press space, repeat the last command. Press space to repeat the last command. And there we have it. Now we're going to be drawing the circles. So I'm going to have to offset 3.5 from here to here, 14.67 from here to here, and I need a circle with the radius of 1. So I'll go center radius, click here and type 1, enter. I don't need this line anymore, so I'm going to delete it, erase it. I'm going to have to offset this line by 9.78. And I'm going to offset again by 12. I need a circle with a radius of 2. I'm going to have to offset this other line by 31. I'm going to copy this circle right here, pick it up from the center, drop it off as where the center is supposed to be, press escape. I'm going to offset from here to here 7.5, 7.56, enter. 18.30, from here to here. I'm gonna copy the circle, pick it up from the center, drop it off at where the center is supposed to be. Escape. I'm gonna offset 26.95. $6.31. I'm gonna copy the circle, pick it up from the center, drop it off at where the center is supposed to be. I'm gonna offset again by 4. And by 35. I'm gonna copy the circle right here, pick it up from the center, and drop it off at where the center is supposed to be. Offset again by 3. Offset by 3.5. I had already done it, so it's gonna be on the same line. I just redrew the same line again, so I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna copy the circle, press enter, pick it up from the center, drop it off at where the center is supposed to be. Escape. Now I'm gonna delete all these lines that I don't need. And pay attention that you only raise the lines, not the circles. Delete. And there we have it. So you notice how offsetting helps a lot. So you don't have to recalculate or calculate the lines or the distances. You just go by what is given to you. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next exercise. Thank you for watching.